So safeguarding is linked to law. There isn't a law that says you must safeguard people. That's not how it works. It's underpinned by lots of different laws. We're not going to go through them all, and they're not all of them. But they're laws that matter to safeguarding. Safeguarding was only mentioned in a law, in a title once, and that was in, I think it's on that list, and that's Safeguarding Vulnerable Adults Group, 2006. It's the only time it was mentioned. Reasonably quickly thrown out piece of law, very fast, on the back of a serious case review. A famous one that you might remember, and it was following the Soham case with the caretaker who killed 2 schoolgirls. Yeah. You may remember it. I think he was called Huntley.
He was?
Yes, I think he was, yeah.
Ian.
Ian Huntley. And he was able to access children despite having some type of checkered background where he shouldn't have had access to children. But what was noticed in the review of that case, and that's something called a serious case review in children, in adults we call it safeguarding adult review now, it's where cases of abuse or serious sort of neglect really of services, failure of services where somebody died or had serious injury, it's where the system, the borough or county, look at the situation again and say, what's gone wrong here? How has this happened? How has Ian Huntley, with his history, got access to children? How has Warboys, the taxi driver, continued to come out of prison and be a taxi driver? You know, how do we not notice that there's big holes in our law?